Was this building first made?
1989.
Yeah, another of the late Lexans, I guess. Freo House. And they didn't bother painting over the ground.
You can see where they forgot the black paint there.
They even forgot the inside too. Is 7 locked or is it just off-brand?
I think it's just burnt. Should just be anyway. Yeah, we're going up.
Nah, press 6, I think that's what it is. If you listen closely, you can hear the same slowdown as Mercure.
Oh, sorry, that's my phone.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure 7's locked.
Actually, I think someone told me that if you go to 4, you can hear the original bells.
Now I want to try something. On this.
Best to leave it.
On this logic, it has to have a call to ring the bell.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's try and get some silent trips.
Right, let's not go down so quickly so that we can.
Wait
There was
for that.
someone on level 4 that wanted to get in, so.
Nope, no bells here. Let the lift wait, or something like that.
Let the lift wait. That was the subtitle of the video, one of my videos where I did the same thing. Oh, there we go.
I don't know. Going down?
Yeah.
To ground?
Perfect, thank you.
Ground.
Cheers.
Right now we can get our silent up and down trips. Now watch. So notice how did my ground call got cancelled when we were up to 6?
Yeah.
Yep, it has that logic. Now, do you want to go back to 4?
I think we can leave it.
Yeah, if you listen.
And this time the phone is securely in the cabinet. I remember when it fell. I remember the phone
Yeah, let's
fell out on
fix
me in
that.
2019.
There it goes.